Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to show you what I bought with couponing. And I want to explain a little bit more in detail, like what I do when I go couponing and things like that. And I want to show you exactly like how much I save, okay, when it comes to using the manufacturing coupons as well as using apps and things like that, okay? So first I went to Target. You guys know I love going to Target because I use their app. I save a lot of money going to Target, okay? So first, what I went for was tea. I had a coupon, manufacturing coupon for Celestial Seasons tea. And the coupon was for $1.50 off of 3 boxes of tea, okay? Well, the Target app did not have anything additional off of Celestial Seasonings tea, but which is fine because they're only $2.29 a box anyway. So I got an extra $1.50 off of 3 boxes, okay? Now with the next one, with cereal, okay? Quaker Oats cereal. You could either have done hot cereal or cold cereal, okay? I had a $1 off coupon on 2 of these. And with the additional Target app, you got an additional 75 cents off each box. So I actually saved $2.50 off of 2 of these boxes. And let me look and see if I can find my receipt. Okay. They were $2.89. So I got 2 of them. And then, of course, an extra $2.50 off. So I pretty much got a box for free. Okay. The next thing was one of Sean's favorite things to take to work. And that's these Velveeta Cookies. These are like a breakfast cookie almost. And this is like banana bread flavoring. Okay, I had a $1 off coupon on 2 of them. Plus, you got 20% off with the coupon. Not with the coupon, sorry, with the Target app. 20% off additional on each box that you bought. So I got 20% off and then plus $1 off of the 2 boxes. Okay, the next thing that I got was I needed to refill, or not refill, sorry, that's the wrong word, stock up on some more razors. So these were on sale. These were on sale for $6.29, I believe. Let me look. Where is it? No, sorry. $5.89. And then I had a coupon for $4 off and plus 10% off because of the Target app. So I paid $1.89 plus take 10% off of that. Okay. This is why I am so like when it comes to the Target app, because you really get an insane amount of money off. Okay, the next thing that I had a lot of coupons for was for Aspercream and Icy Hot. Okay, now the Icy Hot I had $7 off of 3 items, and the same for the Aspercream, $7 off of 3 items. Plus, off of each of those 3 items, I had coupons through the Target app for $2 additional off of each item. So an additional $6 off. So free, pretty much. Okay. Now, Nabisco crackers, love Triscuits. Nothing on the Target app, but I did have 75 cents off of 2. Okay. Now, I had to go to a store called Publix. I had coupons for Mueller's pasta. Okay. 55 cents off of 2 boxes. I had 2 coupons. So I saved $2. No, my bad. Sorry. I saved $1.10 off of 4, and they were $1.69 each. Now the next thing, I have never had this yogurt before. I don't know if you've ever tried this yogurt. Okay, it is on the expensive side, but the only reason why I bought it is because I have coupons. Okay, so I had $1 off of 4 of those individuals, and Publix had them on sale 3 for $4. So I got $1 off, so I brought it down to $3. And then I also had coupons for the Yoplait packs. And Yoplait actually makes the whey. So I bought additional whey yogurt in the packs. $1.50 off of 2 of those. And then Yoplait itself, these individuals, I had $1 off of 10, and they were 10 for $6.80, which brought it down to $5.80 for 10 yogurts. So, and then I was on a witch hunt could not find Rolaids anywhere. I went to 3 different stores, Target, Publix, and then finally Walgreens, because I had a $2 off coupon. Walgreens had them for $4.99, had a $2 off coupon, so I paid $2.99. Also, Walgreens is having insane clearance right now because they still have a lot of clearance and winter items. So look at what is $1 a bag. Okay, these are only $1. So they had like 10 of these left, so we split them up between me and another woman that were shopping for them. So she took 5 and I took 5. Also, any winter items like clothing that they have, 90% off. Yes, I said it. So if you want to stock up for right now or even for next winter, even slippers, $3 for these slippers. Look, they have flannel inside and everything, okay? Even women's slippers. Listen, they're like a size too big, but who cares? They're slippers. You're going to wear socks with them anyways, right? $3. I even got, where is it? See how cute? Look, I've never worn one of these, but I'm going to try it on real quick. It's one of those ear warmer thingies. $0.89. Swear, it's the cutest thing, right? And then they had sweatshirts, sweatpants, socks, gloves, hats, scarves, and all kinds of different winter clothes. Even like this is like a light sweater cardigan, but there's no buttons or zipper on the cardigan. 90% off. This was $2. $2 for a black cardigan. So if you can get a chance to get to Walgreens, their clearance is out of this world. Even when they still have like Christmas cookies, candies, whatever. This, Sean loves peppermint, so this is peppermint drizzled popcorn. It was $1 for this big thing. Where's that other? Oh, okay. M&M's, $1. So, you know, because it's Christmas. Who cares? It's candy. It's chocolate. Okay, if you don't stockpile chocolate, why don't you? That's the next question. All right, but listen. All right, but that is all for this video. I just wanted to explain to you guys and show you a little bit more of what I do, okay? What I buy, the coupons that I had, what else I get off from Target and other in-store sales. So all in all, I mean, like when I got up to the register at Target, it would have been $80. But I walked out after coupons and the Target app and everything else, and it was like $40. So this is what I mean. Coupon. Get that app. Get those apps, please. They save you a bunch of money. All right? All right, guys. That's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Get to Walgreens. Get your stuff. Stay safe. Stay positive. Stay warm. And I'll see you in the next one.